All right, welcome to my channel. Here we're going to be working on this question 3, and the question says that construct a circle of 81 millimeters diameter using general method. Construct a nonagon in the circle. That's the question that we have there. So let's quickly go and work this out. So we are going to draw a circle diameter 81, that is radius 40.5. So we draw a circle. So the radius is 40.5. So enter. All right. So we have this circle like this. Okay, so I want to bring this to this point. So I'm going to enter UCS. Okay. All right. So we just press P, that is the previous, and okay, so if it doesn't go, so I will take it there myself. All right, so okay, so this is the circle, as you can see it here. So I'm going to draw the radius of this circle, or diameter of this circle. So from here to here. So then we are going to divide the diameter into 9 equal parts because we are constructing a nonagon. So I'm going to draw a line from this point at an angle to line A, to that line. Then I'm going to make 9 arcs on this line. I want to make use of arc or arcs to divide it. So I will come here, so select this arc, and then take this point as center and give it a radius of 10. Radius of 10. So this is 1. Then I will repeat it. So from here to here, this is the center. I will give it a radius of 10. So I will draw this arc. Then I will take it again. That's second one. So taking this point as center, so give it a distance of 10. Okay, so we have this point. Then again, I will take it. So from here, so this is the center. So give it a distance of 10. So that's it. So we have drawn this. So next, we take it again. So from here, so we have so 10. Okay. Then I will take it again. So give it a distance of 10. So we have this point. So that's 6. And then, so next we have this point. So give it a distance of 10. So we have this point. So that's 7. And then the next one, so we give it a distance. So from this point as center, so we give it a distance of 10. All right, so then the last one. So last one, so take this point as center. So give it a distance of 10. So there is it. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, so the next thing that we are going to do, we join this point. So together with the end of this line here. So we have this. So now I'm going to copy this. So we click on copy tool, then select this line. So right click and then pick it here. So drop it at this point, 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 and also at this point. So that is it. Then I'm going to trim them. So I will trim them. So click on trim as I've done. So select this together. Okay, so I'll just delete this here. So that's it. Okay, so I'm going to number each of these points. So I'll come to text. So select single line text, and I give it a distance of 0.5. Sorry, a height of 0.5, 0.5. Okay, rotation angle is 0. So then we come here. I think the height is okay. So I don't want this height. Okay, so I take it again. So click and I give it a height of 0.2. 0.2. Rotation angle is 0. So I think this is okay for me. So here we have what we have. This is 1. So this is 0.2. Here is 0.3. This is 0.4. This is 0.5. Here is 0.6. Then 0.7. then we have 0.8, then here outside there I'll put 0.9 here. So we have this, okay. Okay, so I don't know what is wrong with the numbering, so I'll just go on. So without numbering, but if you can number, it just go on and do the numbering. I think I don't know what is happening. Okay, so we have divided into 9 equal parts. So this is 1, 2, 3 to 9. So I'll just leave it like this. So I'm not going to do that again. So because I've done it before and it happened like as I saw it. But if you can number it, just go ahead and do the numbering. So what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to I'll come to this, take this arc, and then, so I will, from here to this end, I will draw an arc. So draw an arc in this direction. Okay, so the radius of the arc is equal to the length of the line. So that's what we have there. So that is the length of the diameter of the circle, which is 81. Then I will take it again. Okay, so I now make use of this center. Okay, so then I will give it a radius of, because of the, I'm moving the arc anti-clockwise, so I give it a distance of 81, which is equal to the diameter of the circle. So it will stop here. All right, so we have it there. So right now, so the next thing that we are going to do is that I'm going to draw a line from this point of intersection of the arcs. I'm passing through point 2. So I'm going to extend it. So I want to make sure this point is clear. So I'm going to select this and then I will move, I will stretch it. So I'm going to stretch it. So through the point. Okay. Okay, so it is through point 2. So make sure it doesn't leave point 2. Doesn't leave point 2, and drop it on the circle. So drop it on the circle. So let's see. So it is has shifted. Okay, so it's there already. All right, so we have this now. So hey, which one? Can you keep quiet? All right, so I'm going to join this point and this point together. Okay, we have that. All right, so I'm going to locate other points on the circumference of the circle. To do that, so I'll just come here. I want to know the length of this side of the polygon. So I will take the measurement. So I'm going to, okay, so let's see what is, so 27, 27, 0.8469, 27.8469, 27.8469. So I'm going to, I want to have it on my calculator on my phone. So 27.8469, so that I can remember it. All right, so then the next thing that I'm going to do here, I will take this arc, okay? So starting from this center here, so here we have the length of 27.8469, okay? So enter, so we have this. All right, so then I will repeat it with the same length or the same radius. So 27.8469. Okay, so then, so we take it again. So this is 27.8469. All right, so we have this. So again, so we take it. So give it a distance of 27.8469. 469. Okay, so we are going to take it again. So this is the center. I'll give the distance of 27.8469. All right, so then we have another one. So this is the center. And we have this, so 27.8469. Then last one. So last one. So we take the arc again. So we take this as a center. So give it a distance of 27.8469. All right, so that's it. Okay, so then, so we go on and join them together with a straight line. So this is connected with this. Connect this together. Connect this together. We connect this together. Then we connect this together. This goes together. And last one is here. All right, so then to make it more visible, I'm going to select the lines so that we can see the polygon clearly. All right, so I will select this. All right, so I'll put on the line width. All right, so this is the polygon. This is the Nonagon as we asked to construct. As simple as I've done it here. All you have to do is to practice. When practice become a master. Thank you. Keep on practicing and God bless you.